below. Today, I'd like to show you a crochet beach dress using granny square motif and solid square motif. I am not completely satisfied with this dress at this point, so I feel that it is necessary to improve it in the future. However, there may be some people who want to know how to make it, so I would like to show the pattern that I can share at this point. At the end of this video, I have released a pattern of how to connect motifs, so I hope you find it helpful. Now you are watching what it looks like when I wear it. Dress length is about the length to my ankle. It has a slightly trapezoidal shape from the bottom to the chest. This shape is achieved by graduating the size of the square motif from the hem to the chest. I will post the yarn information I used from this dress in the description section below. I also alternate granny square and solid square. I used 14 colors, so I needed to arrange adjacent colors not be the same. You can use different colors to get a totally different look. My base color is brown. I crocheted all edges to join the motifs together with brown. You need 52 motifs total. Everyone may have their own way to do motif projects. For example, I don't usually crochet all motifs at once and then join, since I get tired of repetitive work. I always crochet motifs little by little and join at some point. How about you? Please let me know in the comments. It may be beautiful to make the shoulder part into a strap, but I don't really like the cord shoulder strap dress. So I crocheted a small motif and bunch it up to make a shoulder. The fact is, I'm not satisfied with the finish of this area, because it's not very beautiful. But I didn't have a better idea at this time, so I made it like this. Now, I will explain with a pattern. The way to join the motifs is as shown in this pattern. In this pattern, you may think that the middle of the chest and back will not end up centered, but since the size of the hem motif and the chest motif are different, the blue part comes to be centered on the chest, and the pink part ends in the middle of the back. Make 14 cm motifs on rows 1 to 6 shown in pink letters, and make 13 cm motifs on rows 7 to 9 shown in blue, and make 12 cm on rows 10 and 11 shown in green letters. Doing like this, it gradually narrows from bottom to top. Regarding the size, if you just want to change the length, increase the number of rows of the motif. If you want to increase the width too, you change the size of the motif. The calculation method of how to change the size is as shown in this sheet. The width of the body is determined by the length of one diagonal line of the square multiplied by the number of motifs. You can change the dress width to any size you want by changing the size of a motif. As you can see in this sheet, the length of one motif times 1.4 becomes the length of the diagonal line, and multiply it by the number of motifs, which is 5, you will get the width. Therefore, for example, if you want to make your width 100 centimeters, put 100 in place of dress width and calculate. Then you will know what size of motif you should make. If you don't know how to crochet a motif itself or would like to know how to make it, please feel free to request. This dress is a trial version, so I would like to share a perfect pattern when I make a finished version in the future. There are more of my crochet tutorial videos in my channel, please check them out. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.